Alright everyone, we finally got the XS Max in the house, and actually what happened was they sold out at the Apple store, so I had to actually go to Best Buy and pick it up. And when I did that, the freaking guy at Best Buy unwrapped all the packaging and everything, which really made me upset. I'm kind of sad now, but I mean, we're going to get through it. So I want to start off with an unboxing on this channel before I do all the reviews and everything, so pretty much everybody can have an idea of how it is owning one in real life. I said this in a couple of videos ago, you guys are actually going to feel like you own it after I'm done making all these comparisons and all these videos with it. And believe it or not, actually, if you see me put my little channel thing over here, and in one of the corners, what happened last year was when I did the iPhone 8 unboxing, a person who had a bigger channel than me at the time actually ripped the video from me and overlaid it with their audio, and they literally just stole my video, which was just the worst thing I've ever seen. It was crazy because that guy was a bigger channel than me, and I called him out on Twitter and he deleted it, but it's pretty weird. But let's just get on with the unboxing. Opening up is pretty straightforward. Nothing up top. I will say the box feels a little bit more premium than last year's box, which is kind of interesting. You have the standard Apple thing, whatever here. You have the XS Max right there. Literally in here, you just have paperwork. You see we have like a new kind of paper things too. So this is kind of like, this is different than what the iPhone 10 box came in, but you can see it's pretty straightforward. I like how that's actually the main screen. When you open up the iPhone, it says hello. And you open it up and it has all that stuff. I don't think you guys really care. Legal stuff. You do have Apple stickers, and now it actually comes in a clear thing. They might actually switch this up last year, but it's not white anymore. It's clear. That's kind of cool. You also have a SIM injector tool, which was supposed to be here. I guess they don't have it here anymore. Or maybe the guy that Best Buy took it out. And now I did actually put the phone in upside down, which is kind of awkward. So now I got to pull it back up. And this is the box, and this is the phone right here. If you guys aren't familiar, it's straightforward. I pull off the plastic now. You guys can hear it. Alright, I don't know why people like that sound so much. But this is the XS Max, everything that we've ever wanted in a phone. It's actually pretty big, I'm not going to lie. Compared to something like the A Plus, it feels almost like the same thing. And I will do a comparison with the A Plus and the iPhone XS Max in like 25 minutes. So give me like 25 minutes and I'll do it. But in the box, you can see we have the headphones up top and we have the charging block right here. Once you take this out, we have nothing underneath this. We have the headphones right here, the headphone block we have right here. And we have the charger right here, but as you can see, we don't have the dongles in here anymore for the headphone jack, which is kind of annoying. I mean, you have lightning headphones, which is nice, I guess, but you don't have the dongle, which is super annoying, and I wish Apple did put it in. And I kind of made a video about that too, about why they're doing that, pretty much just to increase people buying the dongles from Best Buy and stuff, because that's their most sold thing. But pretty much, I mean, this is what we're playing with for the next couple days, and I'm pretty excited for it. I didn't even know this was the iPhone 10 wallpaper. I thought this was the iPhone 10 ARC wallpaper. And as you can see, we have the iPhone 10 right here, and they're pretty much like, it's not even the same size at all. They're completely different. But they're not like 100 times bigger. It doesn't feel like it's 3 million times larger or anything. It feels like it's like a noticeable amount bigger, but not like unholdable or anything. It really reminds me of the Nexus 6 in a way. But that is just a quick little unboxing. I will have thorough reviews coming very, very soon. If you guys want to see a specific review, like an iPhone XS versus like an iPhone 3GS or something, I have every single iPhone, so I can go and compare it. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see. But if you have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. I'm super excited about what's to happen on this channel, all these videos and everything, so keep it locked down. Check out the links in the description as well, my Twitter, my Instagram, but more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.